Daria Sharara Do Sharare
Welcome to Belen Market. This shaman's alleyway is known to be the dangerous, decaying, beating heart of Iquitos, the largest city in the Peruvian Amazon, full of witchcraft, potions, medicines, street dogs, rotting flesh, vultures, and bizarre items and shady characters that will forever stay in your memory bank. Just beware though, there are a lot of thieves and even shady shamans that will cast black magic onto people if you're not careful. So please be cautious of buying shamanic plants like bottled ayahuasca in this market. You don't know where it's been, how it was made, or who it was made by. For all you know, Voldemort himself could have concocted one of these jungle brews and chucked in a little bit of that devil's trumpet for that extra kick, and next thing you know, you're getting attacked by demons, and then you're in this airport freaking out because you now have amnesia. Speaking of Voldemort, this place kind of reminds me of Diagon Alley from Harry Potter.
Diagon Alley. Come with us. We'll help you find your way back.
So all that being said, Dakota, Jose and myself decided to explore this unique market on our way back from an ayahuasca retreat, and this is what happens.
Yeah, this is a famous Pasaje Paquito. This is Curandero's alley of medicine plants, and you can find a all kinds of stuff.
Like kind of like brujos.
Yeah, like brujos buy their stuff here, and you know, not only brujos, no?
Una Drácula.
No sé cómo explicar esto con mi novia.
Una novia de Iquitos lo mordió.
Drácula, no, me tengo que comer entonces. Una vampiresa.
La vampiresa.
They're laughing at my hickey, saying that Dracula did it. And just in case you're wondering why I have a hickey on my neck, a few days ago I had shamanic surgery by Maestra Justina, who sucked on my neck to get rid of this energy blockage, and she spat out a fishbone.
De espina.
Yeah,
Vamos a
you
quemar
heard that
porque
correctly.
está
Vampiresa.
Vampiresa.
It's almost like an acorn.
So Justina had died at 20 months.
Justina, yeah.
Taking this.
I mean, they prepare this in water,
Yeah.
and that's what she will take.
And it gives you visions, or?
Yes, it's got some variación de camalonga, but after like a really long while, it teaches you how to do chantas.
Wow. Como mi gato.
60?
It feels like my cat, Felix.
This is 70 soles.
Felix? Yeah. 70 soles is cheap.
$23.
Oh, shit.
And she has a big one.
Oh!
Hello.
What is it for? Decorations?
¿Qué tamaño era el 7 meters long was this one?
Stop what?
This is having sex.
Oh, stop having sex.
Tumba hombres.
What do you mean stop having sex?
Yeah, like they're doing it and they're like, oh, stop. Too much. This is a bufeo. Remember the dolphin?
Yeah.
It's vagina.
That's a dolphin vagina?
Pussy.
Dolphin pussy?
Yeah.
The pink one? Dolphin
Yeah.
vagina. Vagina de dolphin.
That's for female.
And what do you do with this?
Tengo rapeta.
¿Qué haces con esto?
Fleshlight.
Mi negocio es para que vean ahí las personas.
Pero no hacen nada con eso. ¿Algún licor, nada?
Nada, no.
This is just an exhibition, I guess.
Okay.
Draw attention to it.
Es lo que cazan los pescadores.
Like a
a
shock
veces,
value.
ayahuasca.
Ayahuasca. This is just the vine, ground. And then they have the chacruna.
Wow.
So here you have your uni.
What?
Pasta.
So the two main ingredients that you use for ayahuasca
It's just
is
chacruna.
ayahuasca is the vine, chacruna is
This
the
is
leaf
a
that has the
MAOI.
DMT in it.
And this is the DMT.
Yeah, and this allows your stomach to open up and
you
allow the
have
DMT
this?
to be orally active.
As an alternative, you have this one, Wambisa.
What's
Or
one?
chagapanga.
That's another DMT containing
It's
plant.
instead of the chacruna, it's supposed to be more visual, this one.
And then we have Yopo.
You've heard of Yopo before?
Yopo,
This is
yeah.
snuff, right?
Yeah, with the 5-MeO. this one.
So this is a 5-MeO DMT snuff, very powerful stuff.
This is a seed. You actually you toast it and you grind it to a powder, and then you mix it with seashells, or lime, and they blow it up your
Acá está el
nose.
chocolate de ayahuasca.
Mambe,
Chocolate, the ayahuasca.
pasta.
And then there's San Pedro, which is Wachuma, or it's a psychedelic cactus. This is the powder.
This one, mambe. It comes from the coca with the ashes. And this is supposed to, when they, for group shape, people do this before, so it sweetens the word. The word.
He's actually trying it.
Have you seen this before? Ayahuasca chocolate?
Bueno, natural, es pura ayahuasca.
Actually, we're gonna, like the one for Sacred Valley, we're gonna have to reduce it to that because they won't take liquid.
Este
So
es rapé. Este es rapé para las migrañas, para el estrés, para sinusitis. Smell,
Good.
rapé.
Oh yeah,
So
that's right there.
repe is tobacco. Snuff it up your nose, and it makes you get really grounded.
lemonade.
Yeah.
This is the powder. You do it.
One rapé, my friend.
This one, abuta. This is really good for diabetes. So they make it into a drink, and a lot of people cure their diabetes with abuta. So some sticks. This one's the tipi. This is the kuripi. Tipi is when you apply it to someone else. Kuripi, when it's yourself.
So this is the self one. So this one, if you want to give yourself repe, one of these goes into your nose, the other one goes into your mouth. You pack the repe in there and you blow it into your own nose.
They're like, you kind of place it like this. And the other one, you just blow it in another guy, no? A ver, a ver, a ver. This is like a type of seed,
Palo Santo?
almost like an almond.
Hoja de sacrificio, semilla de sacrificio.
And now, as you know,
Moringa.
Palo Santo is in risk of extinction.
And
Like
why is
sage.
it almost extinct? Like, can't they just regrow it, or does
For
it take
some
too
reason,
long?
I guess it takes a long while for it to regrow. So
And
we need to be conscious about the use of Palo Santo. So you can see why it can be dangerous, no? Any tourist can come and buy their ayahuasca and think that, people tell them, oh, you can cook it this way, this is a recipe. They'll have them cook it at home, and you open doors that are very dangerous, no? And you need to be able to come out of there, no? But so this is the ayahuasca trade here in Iquitos. Tamu, Murura.
And do they sell like bottles of ayahuasca already brewed?
I mean, you saw the paste.
Ah, yeah.
I mean, just add water and that's ayahuasca.
Ready to go.
Yeah, but you really don't know what's in it. Does it have toé? Does it have what? No? They have kambo here.
Kambo. Tengo kambo.
Yeah. And you don't know the chef. You don't know what energy they're putting into it.
I
So.
don't know. And, I mean, you already learned about the cooking, no? It has to be someone who's dieting.
Clean energy.
Ese es kambo. Eso me puse ayer, ¿ve?
So it's already on there? You just gotta kind of melt it off or something? Put some water on there?
You spit on it, and then with a little knife, you kind of scrape it. The enzymes in the saliva activate the medicine, and then you put it on. ¿A cómo sale cada palito?
130,
130 soles, sí.
pero es doble.
¿Cuántas aplicaciones tiene?
Acá hay para 20 personas, ambos lados, son 40 personas.
It's got like 20 doses. Like for 20 people.
Porque aquí este pedacito
side.
nomás te sale como para 5 personas.
¿Y todo esto 20?
20, 20. Porque es muy doble.
Like a little branch from a tree, the shape of a penis. There's some funny guys here. Lift this one. You've seen this?
No, I've never seen it.
It's like in Chile. Yeah, lift it up.
Oh! A little dick.
This is cinnamon and a banana leaf.
So this is mapacho wrapped around in banana leaf. I remember I got these a few years ago and these ones are like really good. It's a little bit smoother. Dude, check it out. Doe, aka Datura. Well, with mapacho.
I wonder what that's like. You gonna try it? I'll smoke one with you.
How is this?
It's, I mean, you can get a little bit of a medicine, but very light.
But it's not like dangerous or
No.
no, just small amounts.
This is a tobacco maso. So basically the big tobacco leaves, they roll them up into this cigar type, and then you start peeling it, and then you're like slicing it like for pipe or
How many
making rapé.
How many smokes do you think you can make from this?
Oh man, this is heavy.
Hundreds and hundreds.
Here.
It's solid, man.
Yeah, you can beat someone up with it. This will get you pretty high now.
That'd be a psychedelic.
No, like
yeah.
you start slicing it, and you can use the tobacco for rapé or for pipe.
Cortezas.
Mata suegra.
Mata suegra.
If you want to kill your mother-in-law, you drink that.
Which one?
Mata suegra. Jesus Christ! If this is what's on display, imagine what they're hiding behind the counter.
This one kill the dead bird. No, it's
Like to bring it back to life?
Bring it back to life.
So after navigating the shamanic capital of Peru, we made it out the other side. Definitely an interesting place that offers, let's say, many unique products and services, from herbs that apparently cure diabetes, all the way to potions that aid in killing your mother-in-law. Polarity at its finest. And who knows how much of it is real and how much of it isn't so much. But I think like everything in life, there is always going to be some legitimacy, but also some charlatans. And just like the Amazon rainforest that offers many amazing medicines that can help with a plethora of illnesses, let's not forget that it also has poisonous plants, snakes, disease-carrying mosquitoes, and the whole spectrum of polarity and what life has to offer. This is why it's always important to stay alert and grounded. So after our little adventure, we continued on to the Sacred Valley for a brand new quest. Man, that was a crazy adventure. But seriously, how amazing is life and what it has to offer, and how different things manifest depending on where you were born on the planet. It just never ceases to boggle my mind. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this crazy video, and I'm deeply appreciative of all you guys liking and sharing these videos, and of course subscribing. So if you enjoyed these videos, make sure to do that. If you haven't already, subscribe, like this video, share it around. It really helps us out, especially with the algorithm that isn't so kind to channels like mine, but you know, we got to do what we got to do, right? And a massive shout out to all our monthly supporters on Patreon, and especially our legendary top patrons. It's because of you guys why we are able to produce free content full time. So much love to every single one of you. And if you receive any value from this content and you wish to see more, then I would ask you to please check out Patreon and consider becoming a monthly supporter. Other ways of supporting this channel is buying some merch, or you can also do a one-time donation on PayPal. Check the links in the description box below. We've got some awesome content in the works and some that are already out which you may have missed. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.